the USA has issued a national emergency alert for your area. There have been reports coming from the west side of the USA of unknown entities falling from the sky. The entities do not have names, but for now we will be calling them the Advena species. If you encounter one of these creatures, we advise that you get home quickly, lock all doors and windows, and hide. Arm yourself with a weapon, as weapons may be able to scare the entity away. If the creature gets inside of your home, do not make any noise. Do not make any contact with the creatures. Stay hidden. If you are armed, there is a chance that you could kill the entity yourself. If the entity finds you, there will be zero chance of escape, as the Advena species are very powerful. Stay quiet while hiding. The Advena species have incredible hearing. Do not make any noise. Do not make any noise. Do not make any noise.
That was weird. What do you meant by that? I'm just gonna turn on my TV again. Nah. Probably doing it to scare us. I'm gonna turn on Netflix. Huh? What? That was weird. I guess I'll just do Watch Free Plus. Can I get this to focus? That right there. Friendly parents.